Welcome to Best Choice. The best organic ghee is probably one of the most versatile and healthy cooking staples you can have in your kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into the world of grass-fed ghee, exploring its rich flavor, impressive health benefits, and why it's become a favorite among health-conscious consumers. We'll uncover what makes a ghee truly exceptional, and how it can elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level. Number 5. Fourth and Heart Grass-Fed Ghee, 16 ounces. This ghee is made from milk from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows. These cows are raised without antibiotics or added hormones, mainly from New Zealand farms. It's a pure and natural choice. It has a light and creamy texture with a naturally rich, buttery flavor. There's also a subtle nutty finish that enhances both sweet and savory dishes. You'll love the taste. You can replace butter, olive oil, or coconut oil with it in your cooking. It's a versatile option for everyday cooking, baking, and sautéing. It makes cooking easier. It's naturally lactose and casein-free, and shelf-stable without refrigeration. It's also compatible with various diets like Keto, Paleo, and Whole30. It's a great addition to any kitchen. The product is packaged in 100% recyclable PET plastic. This helps reduce packaging waste while delivering the same great ghee. It's good for you and the environment. Ghee may liquefy during shipping but will re-solidify within a few hours of refrigeration or overnight at room temperature. A spoon is not included. Enjoy the product. Made without seed oils, it offers a stable and flavorful alternative to highly processed vegetable oils. It is a healthier choice for your cooking needs. What we like. This ghee is a versatile kitchen staple, perfect for various dietary needs. It's naturally lactose and casein-free, making it suitable for many. If you're looking for a convenient and eco-friendly option, this is a great choice. The 100% recyclable packaging is a plus. What people say. Organic grass-fed ghee is a great product. It has a wonderful flavor and aroma. I use it for cooking and baking. Number 4. Fourth and Heart Himalayan Pink Salt Grass-Fed Ghee. This ghee is made from milk sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows. They are raised without antibiotics or added hormones, mainly from New Zealand farms. It's a healthy and responsible choice. It's light and creamy with a balanced, savory finish. The fine ground Himalayan pink salt adds just the right touch of flavor. You'll love the taste. You can replace butter, olive oil, or other cooking oils with this ghee. Use it in everyday cooking, baking, and sautéing. It's a simple swap. Naturally lactose and casein-free, it's shelf-stable and doesn't require refrigeration. It's also compatible with various diets like Keto and Paleo. This makes it a great addition to any kitchen. Made without seed oils, it offers a flavorful alternative to highly processed vegetable oils. It's a healthier choice for your cooking needs. This is a great way to improve your meals. The ghee may liquefy during shipping, but it will re-solidify. Just refrigerate it or leave it at room temperature overnight. Remember, the spoon is not included. What we like. This ghee is delicately seasoned with Himalayan pink salt, offering a balanced savory finish. It's perfect for those who enjoy a touch of saltiness in their cooking. If you like a subtle, savory flavor, this ghee will elevate your dishes. What people say. Organic grass-fed ghee is a great product. The flavor is delicious and it has a nice texture. I use it for cooking and baking. Number 3. Spring Sunrise Organic Ghee, Keto, Paleo-friendly cooking oil. Introducing Spring Sunrise Organic Ghee. This clarified butter is made from grass-fed cows. It's a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional butter. Our ghee is USDA certified organic, produced in the USA. The cows are raised on evergreen fields, ensuring the richest flavor. It's made using traditional methods since 1992. This ghee is perfect for various diets. It's keto, gluten-free, lactose-free, casein-free, and paleo-friendly. You can enjoy it without worry. With a high smoke point of 485 degrees, it's great for cooking. Use it for baking, frying, or any of your favorite dishes. It will enhance the flavor of your food. Each jar lasts for months without refrigeration. This hand-filtered ghee is convenient and long-lasting. It's a great addition to your kitchen. It offers many health benefits. Rich in omega-3, omega-9, and vitamins A, E, and K. It aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and enhances brain function. What we like. This ghee is USDA certified organic, ensuring quality and purity. With its high smoke point, it's ideal for high-heat cooking. If you're looking for a healthy cooking oil that aids digestion and reduces inflammation, you should consider this one. What people say. Smells divine. Smooth consistency and tastes delicious. I use it mostly for baking. Natural taste and smell. The taste of my childhood. Very beneficial for health. This tastes just like butter did when I was a little kid. Full flavor. Number 2. Carrington Farms Organic Grass-Fed Ghee with Himalayan Salt. With every purchase, you're making a difference. Your purchase helps feed 250 children 3 days a week through the Carrington Cares program. These children are part of the local Philippine community where some of the products are sourced. This ghee is free of casein, whey, and lactose. Sourced from grass-fed cows, it's a natural source of CLA and contains vitamins A, D, and E. It helps balance cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and increase energy. This organic, grass-fed ghee is suitable for many diets. It fits well with Ayurvedic, Whole30, Paleo, gluten-free, and FODMAP diets. It starts with butter from organic, grass-fed cows. Then, it's melted into a pure butter oil and triple filtered. This process removes all milk solids, including lactose and casein. This ghee is perfect for cooking, sautéing, and baking. It has a higher smoke point than other cooking oils, making it ideal for various cooking methods. What we like. This ghee is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins and CLA. Your purchase also supports a great cause. If you are looking for a product that gives back to the community while providing health benefits, this is the perfect option. What people say. Ghee has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods. It has a rich, nutty flavor that enhances the taste of dishes. Organic grass-fed ghee is a healthier alternative to other cooking oils. Number 1. Carrington Farms Organic Grass-Fed Ghee Butter. Introducing Carrington Farms Ghee, made from organic, grass-fed butter. This product is a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional butter, perfect for cooking and spreading. This ghee is USDA certified organic and made from the milk of grass-fed cows. It's a pure and natural product, free from artificial additives and preservatives. This ghee is naturally rich in vitamins A, D, and E. It offers a boost of essential nutrients to support your overall health and well-being. This product is diet-friendly, making it a great choice for various dietary needs. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in many recipes. This product comes in a generous 56-ounce container. It provides you with plenty of this delicious and nutritious ghee to enjoy. What we like. This ghee is rich in vitamins and is diet-friendly. It has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking. If you are looking for a versatile and healthy cooking oil, you should consider it. What people say. The flavor is very good. Works well with cooking, but it is very liquidy, so hard to actual spread on bread, but for a large pastry, it works just fine. This is a great product. I've used it for cooking and baking and eating seafood. The flavor of ghee for cooking veggies is amazing. I cannot use butter like I used to, so this makes up for it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.